Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix your trusted insurance guide error while opening any of the apps on your Android phone. So if you are also into the same situation and you are getting this kind of error while opening any of the apps like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and any other, then this video guide will surely help you. Many users have reported that they were coming across this kind of error while opening any apps on their devices. While going to settings or going to any apps, they are always experiencing and coming across this kind of error. So this is the error that is occurring because of a app that has been installed by itself, or you have downloaded it by mistake, whatever the reason may be, but this is because of the app that has been installed. So what you have to do is you have to open settings. So you cannot open settings directly, so what you have to do is scroll from up, and after that here you have to click on the settings icon and then go below. Here you have to click on apps option. After that click on default apps, and here you have to click on home apps, and here you have to check whether the default home app is selected as system home screen or any other. So as you can see, the launcher has been selected as HD video downloader HD player. So because of this only you are getting such kind of error. So you have to first remove it, and you have to first select the main launcher of the phone, and the issue will be resolved, and you can easily access the apps that you are unable to access. So what you have to do is, so from here you have to first select a system home screen, and now you can easily access your phone, and whatever the apps you are trying to open, you can easily open it. Next thing, you have to delete that app that has been downloaded by itself. What you have to do is you simply have to select this and then click on delete icon. So after doing this, now you can check that you can easily access whatever the apps you want to use. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.